food. She's eating food.
Is that for Instagram? Just no.
Usually Vine videos. This is going on YouTube.
What? That is spicy.
Because you can't upload videos on Instagram. This is definitely YouTube. I just had to put that app on my phone or my iPod.
Hi.
Fish woman. You make fishy faces. She also makes duck faces. It's funny, you were like, I don't always make duck faces.
Dang it.
You spilled something?
Here. Sorry, leg. Open your leg. Don't touch my no-no square. Hey, don't touch me there. That is my no-no square.
I just think it's funny. She said, open your leg.
Yeah. A day in the life of Cheyenne. Hashtag. Never mind. Say that word. Match it. Look at all that. Here I go. Going in.
Don't choke.
Seriously?
This should be about a good 2 minutes of food humor.
What is this happening?
Humor.